In this video, we are going to know about the Robin Sharma's book, which is very popular all over the world, but especially in Indian subcontinent, with 15 million copies sold in Indian subcontinent. So let's start. So the 5 a.m. Club is a self-help book that focuses on the power of waking up early, particularly at 5 a.m. to maximize productivity, creativity, and personal growth. The book presents a fictional story about a struggling entrepreneur, a frustrated artist, and a quirky billionaire mentor who guides them on a life-changing journey. So let's start. What's in the story or what's in the books? So the central theme revolves around the victory hour, the first hour of the day, from 5 a.m. to 6 a.m., which is divided into three parts. So the 20 rule is here. So 20 minutes of exercise to boost energy and focus. Then 20 minutes of reflection through meditation, journaling, or prayer to foster inner peace and clarity. Then last 20 minutes of learning to expand knowledge and personal development. So this will be your uh, to morning's first victory hour, which we call victory hour. So Sharma emphasizes the importance of daily habits, time management, and developing a heroic mindset. The book combines motivational advice with strategies for leadership and success, advocating the idea that the early morning hours are the most productive and creative time of the day. So, the 5 a.m. Club encourages readers to take control of their mornings to achieve personal and professional excellence. Here is a summary of the 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma, condensed into 100 one-liner points, which is introduced here or which is presented here with short heading, I can say. So the first is introduction of the book. What says in introduction? The book introduces the concept of waking up at 5 a.m. for peak productivity, and then focus on using the first hours of the day wisely. Then prota- protagonists story follows an entrepreneur, an artist, and a mentor. The mentor teaches the power of a strong morning routine, how a morning could help your lifestyle and achieve success. Then early rising. Waking up at 5 a.m. gives a head start on the day. It allows uninterrupted time for self improvement. The 20 formula. The first hour is split into three 20 minutes blocks. These focus on move, reflect, and grow. So, move. Start the day with 20 minutes of intense exercise. Then, exercise boosts dopamine and reduces cortisol. Then, reflect. That next 20 minutes should focus on meditation, journaling, or prayer, in which you can write or read anything. Then, reflecting helps with clarity and reduces stress. And the last step is grow, which is the final spend the final 20 minutes learning or reading. Here we are including reading. So then continuous learning fuels personal and professional growth. Then the power of habits. So success is a result of consistent habits. The book stresses the importance of routines. Victory hour. The first hour of the day is referred to the victory hour. So, because we can achieve anything which decides our morning's first hour. So how you start your morning defines your day. Focus on productivity. Early rising enhances focus. It allows time to work on long term goals without distractions. Deep work. The book highlights the importance of deep working. Deep work allows for achieving extraordinary result. Mental mastery. Cultivate mental discipline through daily routines. Overcome negativity and self doubt by rewiring your brain. Reprogram your brain. Four interior empires. This is also a very important aspect of the book. So the book introduces the first four interior empires. mindset, heart set, health set, and soul set. In here, mastering these leads to a balanced and successful life. So, first is mindset. The right mindset leads to extraordinary achievement. Focus on growth, resilience, and productivity. Then, heart set. Emotional well being is essential for personal growth. Practice gratitude and emotional reflection. Then, health set. Physical health boosts mental, mental and emotional strength. Incorporate regular exercise and healthy eating. Then soul set involves nurturing inner peace and purpose. Connect with your deeper self through mindfulness. And personality development, so it is another part of the book. So the book emphasizes continuous personal development. Every morning is an opportunity to evolve, learning and growth. Reading and learning helps you stay ahead in life. Commit to daily learning even in small increments. The 66-day rule, so, habits are formed by practicing them for 66 days. The- how we can uh, form any habit? So, we again divide this 66 days among three blocks: 20, 20 22, 22, 22. So, consistency is key to embedding lasting routines. Sleep. Quality sleep is essential for early rising. Rest helps the brain and body recharge for peak performance. The importance of purpose. Finding, aligning with a life purpose leads to fulfillment. Purpose drives productivity and perseverance. Mastery. Mastery is a lifelong pursuit. Excellence is a result of continuous effort and improvement. Leadership. Effective leaders have a disciplined morning routine. The book encourages self leadership and personal responsibility. Peak performance. Waking up early optimizes mental and physical performance. It allows for planning and executing critical ideas. The billionaire mindset. The mentor teaches a billionaire's mindset of discipline and focus. How billionaire become billionaire and successful. Then success requires pushing beyond average habits. The 5 a.m. mindset. The 5 a.m. mindset requires embracing discomfort for long-term gains. Early risers stand out and achieve extraordinary result. So there is a saying also, early bird catches the worm. So who rise early will achieve success or achieve the result. Then willpower. Willpower is the highest in in the morning. Willpower is highest in the morning. Use the morning hours to tackle the most challenging tasks. Distraction free. Early hours offer fewer distractions. Focus on high value tasks during this time. Growth mindset. A growth mindset turns obstacles into opportunities. Challenges help build resilience. Time mastery. Master your time to achieve your biggest goals. Avoid wasting time on unimportant activities. Legacy. Aim to build a lasting legacy with your work. Focus on creating meaningful contribution to the world. Environment. Surround yourself with positive influences. Environment shapes habits and productivity. Solitude. Solitude in the early morning is vital for deep thinking. So it's all in today's video. We will continue in the next video from this.